Hello, myself Rahul Ashok from Marwadi University. Today in this video we are going to cover the ascending tracts. Before starting the topic, I would like to tell something about spinal cord. So what is spinal cord? The spinal cord is the continuation of medulla oblongata of the brain. It extends through the vertebral canal and ends approximately at the level of L1 or L2 vertebrae in adult. So the spinal cord, medulla oblongata is a continuation of the brain and it extends to the vertebral canal and it terminates around the L1 or L2. So now the tracts in spinal cord. So what are tracts of the spinal cord? So tracts of spinal cord are the group of nerve fibers passing through spinal cord. They are divided in two groups, short tracts and long tracts. So let's get back to the topic, ascending tracts of spinal cord. So ascending tracts of spinal cords carry the impulse from various sensations to the brain. Pathway of each sensation is formed by two or three group of neurons. The first order neuron, second order neuron and third order neuron. So here is the first order neuron, second order neuron and third order neuron, and this is the lateral spinothalamic tract which has function of temperature and pain, and it's the anterior spinothalamic tract which has the function of crude touch and pressure. So now we'll see the first order neuron. The first order neurons receive sensory impulse from the receptors and send them to the sensory neurons present in posterior gray horn of spinal cord through their fibers. Nerve cell bodies of these neurons are located in the posterior root nerve of ganglion. Now the secondary order neuron. The secondary order neuron carries the sensory neurons present in posterior gray horn. Fibers from these neurons form ascending tracts of spinal cord which transmit sensory impulse from the spinal cord to different subcortical area. What are the subcortical areas? They are brain areas below the cerebral cortex such as thalamus. So all the ascending tracts of spinal cord except posterior column tracts are formed by fibers of second order neurons of sensory pathway. Posterior column of tracts formed by the fibers of first order neuron. Now the third order neuron. The third order neurons are in subcortical areas. Fibers of these neurons carry sensory impulses from subcortical area to cerebral cortex. So now we'll see the where are they situated, the tracts and their function. So first the anterior white column. The tract is anterior spinothalamic tract which has the function of crude touch sensation. Another the lateral white column which has tracts of lateral spinothalamic tract, that is pain sensation and temperature sensation. The third one is dorsal spinocerebral tract which has function of subconscious kinesthetic sensation. The another is spino-reticular tract which has function of consciousness and awareness. Another is spino-olivary tract which has function of proprioception. The last one is posterior white column. The tract is fasciculus gracilis which has function of tactile sensation, tactile localization, tactile discrimination. And the last one is fasciculus cuneatus which has the function of vibratory sensation and stereognosis. Thank you.